almost done.
How's that corn, Julian? Still hot?
No, it's not.
Good.
Yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh. Get back in there.
I'm done.
You can have some more in a little bit. You gotta eat some food.
I already eat some butter corn.
Good.
Corn's my favorite.
I'm so glad you like it. That's why I got it. I thought y'all would love the corn.
Is it corn on the cob?
It is corn on the cob.
I love corn on the cob.
Me too.
Me too.
Good job, Gwen.
I love corn on the cob.
Mm-hmm. Good boy.
See, it's still not hot.
Good.
You like it?
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's still not hot.
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not. See?
Good boy.